Now you loan $200. So this is going to be the principal and the terms of the loan for 7%. So this is a rate, and for 4 years, this is going to be the time. So I is equal to PRT. So let's plug in all the number. Let's substitute all the number, and just be careful with this R. It should be not 7. It should be 0.07 times by time. How many years? 4. So let's multiply 200 times by 0.07, and it's going to be 1,400. And you move a decimal how many times? Twice. So it is going to be $14. 14 times by 4. This is 14, right? Okay, it's times by 4. So if you multiply, it's going to be $56. So that means you have to pay $56 for 4 years for $200 to borrow. So what is the amount of the interest? It's $56. What's the total balance after 4 years? You borrow this amount of money, and then you have to pay this for the interest, that for the use of this $200. So now what's the total balance you have to pay back? You have to pay this amount of money, 200, and you have to pay the interest, right? So you have to pay the principal and interest. $200 plus 56, which is $256. This is a total. So now, oh, it's a lot of money. So you want to pay back monthly. So this is what you can do. $256, and you're going to buy the total number of month in 4 years. How many months in 4 years? Each year has 12 months, so it's going to be 48 months for 4 years. So you're going to divide by 48. 256 divided by 48. So I'm going to try 7, 6. I'm going to try 6. No, 6 is still too big, so I'm going to try 5. So it's going to be $240 and 1 6. We need to put a decimal here and put down 0. And how many? 4, too big. 3, maybe. 144. And if you subtract this, 1 6. And someone will find it. It's going to be repeating because you 160, 160, right? So you may say, oh, it's going to be 5, 3, 3. And 3 is repeating, right? So I can just put 3 here. You don't need 3. But they're talking about money, so you can say, you can just pay $5.33, about 33 cents for 48 months. Then you can pay this $256 for 4 years. You can pay this amount back to the bank. Now we send a deposit of $2,000. This is a principal. Earned simple interest. So this is I in 1 year, T. So what is the annual interest rate? So guys, let's think about I is equal to PRT. You know I, you know the principal, you know the time, like the amount of money that you deposit the money. But now you don't know about the rate. So we're looking for this annual rate, right? So I'm going to just substitute everything that I know into this equation. So simple interest, $120, principal, $2,000. And what's the rate? I don't know. And what's the time? 1. So if you simplify this, 2,000 times by 1, it's still 2,000 times by R. And what do we need to do? You need to divide it by 2,000 to undo times by 2,000. Divide it by 2,000, right? So now you will cancel this out. This will be canceled this out. R is equal to, you simplify this, and I'm going to divide it by 2 before I change to decimal because both are multiples of 2. So divided by 6, what is it? I'm divided by 2, 6, divided by 2, 200 divided by 2, it's 100. All right, luckily we got 6 over 100. Something over 100, what was it? Something over 100, it's percent. So this number on the top is going to be the percent. You can just say 6%, or you can also say it's 0.06. You can give me the decimal, you can give me the percent. Either way is fine. So now we know that the R is 6%. So now Ronald deposit $3,000. So now you have a new principal. And the same interest rate, which is 6%, right? You can use this number. How much money did Ronald earn in interest after 1 year? 1 year, what is it? T. So now we're looking for the interest, which is IPRT. What's the principal? 3,000. What's the rate? 0.06, not 6 itself. You have to change it to decimal and plug into the inequality. Times by 1. So now let's multiply 3,000 times by 0.06, and it's going to be 18000. And how many times you move a decimal? Twice to the left. So it's going to be $180. So the interest is going to be $180. What if I ask you to find a balance in a year? You have to add this to number. So the balance is going to be 3,000 plus $180, which is $3,180. This is going to be the total balance in 1 year. At this interest rate for 1 year when you deposit $3,000. So it's a lot of money. So if you just put $3,000 in the bank for a year at 6% rate, then the bank will give you $180 in after a year, because you let them use your purchase money, $3,000, so that they can invest money into the company and they earn money. So they give you some amount of interest back to you.